Hello friends, welcome to Oma Skills Academy. On my last training, I show you guys how to create a Facebook page, which is the first thing you will do before you can run an advert. So now I'm going to show you guys how to run this advert, Facebook advert, because we are done creating Facebook business page. We are done creating business page or professional page. So just for you to go to my channel and watch how to create a business page if you have not done that, because that's the first thing you will do. So what you do is, if you log into your Facebook, then you locate your page. This flag up here is actually my page, so you open it, then log into any of the page you want to run this advert on. Let me choose the sponsored ads specialist. Then you scroll up to one of the posts. You have already created a post, you've already posted something on your page. So after creating a business page, the next thing for you to do is to create a post that product that you want to advertise, that you want to run advert on. So this is how it is. And when you create a post, when you post anything on your page, under it you're going to see boost posts, just like this one. Learn how to run Instagram sponsored adverts. Under it, any post, anything you post on your page, under it you must see boost post or promote post. If you do not see boost post, what you're going to see there is promote post. So you click on this boost post to get started. If you click on it, it will take you to this page. Then the first thing to do is to set these options to get more messages. The reason why you have to set it to get more messages, because you want to sell. You want to sell your product. You want people to come to your inbox, come to you and make inquiries about what you are selling. You want them to visit your page, and not only to come and visit your page, but to also buy what you are selling. Do not leave it in automatic. Do not choose get more engagement. Get more engagement is just likely to get only likes and comment, but get more messages, that is to bring people inside your business. So choose get more messages. And before that, you should also go and download Facebook Ad Manager. Or if you did not see Facebook Ad Manager in your Play Store, what you are going to see is Meta Ad Manager. I'm going to show you people that application later. So you choose this option, you select this option, get more messages. That's the first thing. Then you under it, okay, you see special ad category. Please just leave it like that, don't turn it on. This one doesn't concern you. This special ad category, just leave it like that, it's not on. Then you have to select where you want people to send message to you, where you want people to reach you, whether on Messenger or WhatsApp. If it's Messenger, you click on Messenger. If it's WhatsApp, you click on WhatsApp. So anyone you choose that is convenient for you, fine, you select it. If it's WhatsApp, you select WhatsApp. If it's Messenger, you select Messenger. And please, if you've not connected your WhatsApp account to your business, to your Facebook, you need to connect it. That is, if you are choosing WhatsApp, you need to connect it. And from my last video, I show you guys how to connect your WhatsApp line to your business page. Then you go up, you scroll up, audience. Please, this is where you will target your audience, target your customer, target people that are likely to buy your products. Those people that you want, the age you want them the states, the sex, that's female or male. You should pay serious attention here on this audience. You must learn how to target your audience. This is where people miss it. This is where they find it difficult. If you spend, if you like spend like 100,000 to run an advert and you fail to target your audience right, that's this advert is not going to yield any results for you. So you click on edit smart audience, just remove it on smart audience. Don't just click on edit. If you click on edit, you see how to reach people through their region, location, characteristics, age, gender. Let me go back. It's either you edit the previous one or you create a new one. Okay, let's create a new one. Create a new one. If you create a new one, it's going to appear like this. Then you select your audience name. This audience name simply means just like title, the the heading for your audience. You can just give it any name. If your product is all about hair luxury, human hair, and the rest, you can just use hair luxury as the title or the heading. Then you save it. So if you save it, you come back here. You will still come back here and see it. You come back here and see it. Okay, that one did not save. So let's do it again. Create new. Hair luxury. Okay. Okay, don't save it yet. Just leave it until you finished all those ones. Then the next thing to do now is to choose your region. Okay, rich people, please make sure that you set it to region. This is the region. Make sure that you set it to region, not address. Then location, you click on this arrow, click on it to set the location you want this advert to reach. You set your locations, like if you want people in Enugu, Abuja, Lagos, Abia State to see your advert. If you want Facebook to take this to adverts to people that resides in those in this state that I mentioned, this is what it be. If you want to target only Abuja, like you want only people in Abuja to see this post, you choose only Abuja. If you want only if you want to target only Lagos, you choose Lagos. If you want, you can target as many as you want, but don't make it too lengthy, please. So you can choose Lagos. Lagos is already there, so we can also choose Lagos. Sorry, Abuja is already here, so you can also choose Lagos. If you type Lagos, please, if you type Lagos, you can see the options that comes up. Lagos, Lagos. Click on it, tap it too. Just tap it. You must tap it for it to enter inside this bus. Tap it. Tap. Then you type another one. You can choose Enugu. Okay, we can choose Oka. Oka. You see? Oka, Anambra State. Tap it. Tap Oka. You go back again. If it brings you back to this page, don't worry. Just tap this arrow again to continue. You type again Oka. You choose. Which other states? We can choose Aba. Aba, Abia State. Say it, Aba. You know the kind of business you are doing, you know what you are selling, you know the services you are offering. So you should know the states. You should know the states to target. It's not, you can't just target any state. Like, let me use this northern part as an example. Like this state that has more of Muslim people, you know, this state that have more of Muslim people. As you can see, if you are selling bun shorts, maybe you are selling bun shorts, I will not really advise you to target that state, to target those states that, what this state that has more of Muslim people, they wear overall. No, now they cover themselves from head to toe. So I don't really know if bun shorts is going to, if you're going to sell more in that kind of area. So you should always think, this thing I'm selling, which state am I going to target? Because I want people, I want high patronage. So you always think, that's it. Just target as well, as much, as more as you can. Okay, let me just add more one and leave it that way. Which other state am I going to? Okay, let me say Asaba. Then you save. It comes down to your characteristics, add interest. If you are selling these characteristics is not, if you want to add it, you add it. But if you boss add it, so you must take out of boss. Like now, we are dealing with hairs, and is hair is one of the luxury goods we have, and it falls into the categories of fashion accessories. So I can choose fashion accessories because hair falls in line with fashion accessory, and you can also choose jewelries. People that wear hair also wears jewelries. So anybody that can buy jewelry can also buy hair. I don't know if you get it. Anybody that buy jewelry can also buy hair. Anybody that buy that can wear hair can also buy clothes. So you can choose clothing. See, clothing or women's clothing. You can choose. Mm, you can choose. You can choose cosmetics. Yeah. Yes. So you can't just wear hairs and without making up. Although some people don't make up. Yeah, but anybody that wears makeup, we should know that anybody that wears makeup can as well have human hair. So this is how to target your audience. That is, if you must choose interest, if you want to target the interest of people, that's how to choose it. Think you have you have to think about those things that fall in the same category with what you are selling. If you are selling sneakers, if you are selling clothes, who are those people that are likely to buy clothes? Yeah. So you see the same thing. Anybody that can buy handbag can also buy clothes. So this is how it works. So you save it. Then you come to age. If you are selling human hair, you should target the age. You should know that a girl of 18 years can buy hair. hmm But I think, but a girl of 18 years cannot buy that luxury hair, like this quality hair now. It all depends on what you are selling. No, like if you are buying, if what you are selling is all this original woman hair, like 100% human hair, all this luxury hair, you should target the age of, let's say, from 20, from 25. Yes, a girl of 25. We have so many working class lady from this age of 24, 25. Some are even married to rich men. Some have rich boyfriends. Some are working. So some come from a wealthy family. So let's just choose from 25 to 50. Yeah. Like I say though, it all depends on what you are selling. You can adjust this to the age you want. And let me leave it in 52. If you are selling baby's clothes, of course, you should also set your age, also set the age to from 23 because we have mothers from that age. Of course, some people within the age of from 23, 22, they are already married, they have kids, even 20 years have kids. So you can set it to 20. That's if you are selling baby clothes because the mother are the ones, adults are the one buying these baby clothes. It's not children that will just go to market and buy baby clothes. So anything, if you're dealing with children's stuff, you should set the age that you know that yes, it's people of this age that can come and buy this product. So that's what this age is all about. You also target your age to what you are selling. Now this gender now is if what you are selling is all about ladies, just choose only women. If it's unisex, you, you just select all. If it's for if it's men's stuff, you choose only men. I don't know if you get. So here we are done with this. This advert I'm doing now, this thing I'm targeting now is I'm running this advert directly from business from my page. Oh. I'm running this advert directly from my business page. There are many ways. There are many ways you can run this advert. You can run this advert through the application, Facebook ads, Facebook ad manager application. You can also run this advert through the manager, through the Facebook manager, that's through the browser. You can also do it from the browser. You can just type facebook.com facebook.com.manager, something like that. You can run it from the directly from your from browser. That's Facebook manager. That is if you don't want to run it directly from your page. This one I'm doing now is I'm running it directly from the page, and I think this one is good. Yeah, some of the advert I run it from my page directly. In fact, anywhere I choose to run it from, I can. So this one is the easiest and simplest one for beginners. So that's what I'm showing you. So the next thing to do now is to sorry. Next thing now to do now is to estimate your total budget. We are done targeting our audience, right? Then the next thing now is how many days did you want this advert to run? If you want 7 days, and I'll advise if you want your advert to convert very well, if you want your advert to convert to sales, to yield positive result for you, please, I will advise that you allow your advert to run up to 7 days. From 7 days above, that's if you want it to convert well. And you can use as minimum of 600 naira per day. Yes, you can use from 600, you can use 600, 1000. So 600 is okay. 600 can still give you the best result. So if you are choosing 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, you can see I'm clicking on this plus positive sign here. That's plus. Then minus to reduce the days. Okay, let's just leave it in 7 days. If you are using 7 days, so you have to calculate 600 times 7, which is 4,200. Then you come here to adjust this money here. You write 42. You can say it. You write 42. Then the next thing that is, okay, run this adverts on Instagram. That is, if you have connected your Instagram to your business page. Yeah, if you have linked it together, if you've connected it, that's when, if you also want this advert to be running on your Facebook and also be running on your Instagram, you you toggle it on. But if you don't want it, you off it. Yeah. Then the next thing now is for you to pay. You must add money to this your wallet. Like, okay, see my available balance here. I'm still having like 3,558 naira. But if you're starting this thing, if you're starting newly, you're not going to have any money here. What you'll be seeing here is 0.00. So this is where you add your money. You click on add money. If you click on add money, it will take you to this page. And once you come here, please always select this Naira payment. That is the pay. You don't use this one up here. Don't use this Visa card. Don't use this debit or credit card. No, it always give issue. So the best one to do is to use your Naira payments. That's the Naira card. Choose pay you. Under here you see add fund. Click on continue. You zoom it. You click on continue. They will ask you to enter the details of your card. See, it's very safe. All you need to do is enter your card number, yeah, your ATM card, the card number of your ATM card, then the name on that ATM card, the months on that ATM card, and then the expiring date. After that, you click on pay. When you click on pay, they will take you to another page where you have to choose. They will request where they will send you a pin. They are going to send you a token, and you will see, do you want to receive this token in software or hardware. Choose software so that you can receive the message immediately. So when you choose software, you are going to receive the code. They will send you the code in your message. Then you type the code. It's when you type the code that they will debit you. They will debit you and then credit this your wallet for your ad to start running. Let me go back. I'm going back. So after that, next thing to do now is to click on boost post now. Once you click on this boost post now, then this account will be subjected to review. It will be on review. Facebook will review it to make sure that you do not violate any rules and regulation. If everything is okay, then they will activate it to start running. They will activate it to start running. That's how to do it. Then now let me show you guys the application I'm talking about. So this is it here. And let me drag it. See it. This thing I'm touching now, I see it's Facebook Ads Manager or Meta Ad Manager. If you open it, this is it. You can see it. This is the advert I'm currently running for somebody. You can see it's active and the remaining 4 days left. So I run this advert from this from this application. But even if this application will also help you to monitor the one you run from your Facebook direct. So even if you run advert from your page direct, it will still reflect here. It's from here that you can monitor it. From here you can do some editing, do adjust some things you want to adjust. If I want to adjust this advert now it is running, I can adjust. You can see edit setup. This is where you can edit some things and edit it. So on the next video, what I'm going to show you, I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to show you guys how to run advert from this application, and also how to run this advert from Facebook Manager directly. That one you have to use the website, or the, I don't know. You can just, it's either you run it from this Facebook, from your face. You can run it from your Facebook directly. You can run it from this application, and you can run it from your browser. That's Facebook Manager. So that's it for now. All you have to do is to subscribe, turn on your notification button so you can receive notification on when I will post the next video. And I hope this video is helpful. In if if you do not understand anything, or in any area you're still finding it hard or having challenges, just chat me up. Yeah, chat me up. I'll put you through. Thank you.